Come on, Katie. I know, it's going to be cold for just a few minutes. Where's DJ? Did y'all bury him?
You packing too hard, dear.
Oh, gosh.
Ow! Oh, I see someone's underwear.
There's DJ. That's not right. Katie said she has snow bites.
No bite?
Yeah. I'm sure DJ's got snow bites too. He's all red in the face. He looks German.
You know how wet his pants are.
What are you doing?
DJ!
Hey, you gonna hit the ditch.
We got to take